Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I just wanted to share with you, I just got some happy mail. This is so exciting. So I previously posted some videos. I had purchased from Crealies some dies, and I'll show you like right here. And I did a little product review on YouTube, and I was bragging about how awesome the dies were and how pretty and everything, and I will post the links to that down below. So she actually contacted me and asked me if I was interested in doing a guest spot, so I will be doing that near the tail end of August. But I just received the dies that she sent me, and I figured I would open them up with you and you could check them out with me. So let's check it out. So let's see. The dies are so pretty, and I had no clue that making those videos she would offer me a guest spot, so I'm super excited for that. And I did order another die, but she actually, for doing some tags and stuff, and I believe it should be in here. Oh, I have two packages. And she actually gifted it to me, so that is awesome. So I can't wait to make projects with them and show you. Oops. I'll leave you the link down below, but her website is crealies.nl, and you can go over there. So pretty. Okay, so these are the ones that I wanted, and she gifted these to me. These are going to make really pretty tags, and these here actually match, let me find it, the die that I used. So let's see. I make all these little samples. These are in my YouTube videos. That way I can have a look at what they look like. So when I'm deciding what I want to use, I can go ahead. So yeah, these match this right here. So this is the die to do these big things, and then it actually comes with a matching tag, and it's so cute too. And it looks like you get like the full outside one here, and then you get the one for the inside for your pattern paper right there. So super cool. So I can't wait to use those. I had actually followed Scrapqueen's video on her album. I'll link that down below too. And I wanted to use these so I could finish up that album. So let's see. So this should be what she sent me for my guest spot. And it feels absolutely huge. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. I didn't expect all this. So super cute little rubber stamps. So I'm assuming you can make the flower centers. Oh, pretty. So this is CLBP 89. Those are some clear stamps. Wow. And then this super pretty flower die. It's CLUNO 51. Gorgeous. And then CLSET 51. That's 3 of them. These would be so cute. You can make such dimensional flowers with something like that. That is awesome. And then CLDD 51. You can see all the texture in those dies. Oh, cute. So she even sent me, because these come in 2 sizes, large tags and smaller tags. So she actually sent me the matching smaller tags. That's awesome. I almost got that too, and then I didn't because I didn't actually have enough money to get both. So I just went with the bigger ones because I figured I'd use those more. So that's CLLT09. Awesome. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Then she sent me, oh, it's stencils. Super cute. CLMML09. That's cute. I'll have to check that out. Neat. And then she sent me, oh wow. So these are the Decora XL dies. So you can do really cool background borders. CLDRXL08. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't believe I got all this. And then another Decora XL die. These are the hearts. CLDRXL14. Super pretty. So when she had actually asked me about it, and then she asked me about if I wanted to play around with the Decorate XL dies, I saw the hearts and I was like, oh, if, you know, if possible, could I get the hearts? And she sent me the hearts, and they are more pretty in person than they were on the website. So I can't wait to use those. And then the Decorate XL CLDRXL03, little honeycomb shapes. Super cute. Oh my God. That was so nice of her. Aw, Annelies, you're so awesome. Oh my God, I cannot believe what you sent me. You are amazing. Oh my God, I'm going to make so many projects with these. So cool, look at them all. Oh my God, and then the one she gifted me. Wow, amazing. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to make. Anyway, keep an eye out for my guest spot. It'll be the end of August. And it looks like I'm going to be able to make a ton of projects. So I can't wait to see what I come up with, because amazing. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. If you want to see what I'm going to make with all of these, be sure to click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And I can't wait to show you what I'm going to make with these. And of course, I will do a tutorial on whatever I make. And I will link you down below to all the information on this. All right? Thanks for stopping by, guys. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Happy crafting. Bye. And thank you, Annelies. Oh, thank you, thank you.